What's up guys, welcome to Let's Lundy Boxing, and today we're going to go through a few tire drills to improve your footwork. So, we'll go through the first one. So if you're just starting off, what you want to do is get into your boxing position and simply circle right. Once you come back to the point of start, you're gonna circle to the left. So just like this. So when I'm going to the right, I'm leading with the right foot. Right, left, right, left, right, left. When I start to get the hang of it, I can have a little bit of a bounce or a gallop. Just like this. Now, I always want to keep my hands up to keep my proper boxing position. Once I come back to the point of start, I'm going to go towards the left. When I go to the left, I'm going to move with my left foot first. So left foot, right foot, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Once I get the hang of it, I can get a little bit of a bounce or a gallop. So just like this. When I make it here, I'll switch. Just like that. Now when you get the hang of it, you can switch sides anytime. So like this. Just like that. You want to do this drill for about 1 round, so a 3-minute round. Once you get the hang of that, you're going to start weaving. Okay? So what you want to do is circle around the tire and weave. See, I'm circling, and then when I'm ready, I weave. Just like that. So when you weave, you want to squat out to the knees. You don't want to bend your back. Okay? So you can do it both sides. So I was moving to the right, now I'll switch to the left. So I'm moving left, left foot leads, and I pass under. Just like that. So I'm squatting under. Just like that. And when you get the hang of that, you can go either side, and you can start weaving either side. So just like this. So just like that. Now, we're going to move to another exercise. So this is basically bouncing in and out. So what you want to do is go in and step out diagonally. I'm going to start off with the right side. So I'll step out diagonally towards the right. I lead with the back foot going backwards. Then I go straight forward. In, out. In, out. Boxing position, in, out. When I get the hang of it, I can go a little bit faster, so you can bounce in and out. So just like that. Now go to the left side. So it's the same concept. I'm going straight, and then I go out diagonally to the left, leading with the back foot. Just like that. So in, then I go out diagonally to the left. Like that. Once I get the hang of it, I go a little bit faster, bouncing in and out. Just like that. And when you really get the hang of it, you can go around the back, you can go around the tire either side you want. So to the right, to the left. You mix it up, and you want to do this for about a 3-minute round. So just like this. So just like that. Now, when you really get the hang of that, you can start pumping the jab at the same time. So I'll start off with the right side. So the same concept. The only thing that we're adding is the jab going forward. That's it. So we jab going forward, And then we bring your hand back as we go back diagonally. Just like that. So in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So just like that. And once you get the hang of that, you can go a little bit faster. You can get a little bit of a bounce. Just like that. Now same concept to the left side. So same thing. You come in with the jab and then you step out diagonally towards the left, leading with the back foot. Just like that. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And when you get the hang of that, you go a little bit faster. Just like that. So, once you master that, you want to switch it up. You can go to the right, go to the left, as you wish. You want to do that for a 3-minute round, just like the other exercises. So like this. So just like that. Now, for the last exercise, it's more of a muscle builder or endurance exercise. This will develop your calves, and you'll have a better spring when you'll bounce in and out. So this is great for amateur boxers who like to bounce in and out, or boxers who like to keep the outside and circle the ring. So basically, what you want to do is bounce on this tire for about 10 to 20 minutes. So it basically replaces the skip rope. So what you want to start doing is just bouncing like this. Okay, always keep the same rhythm. If you want to, keep your hands up. And if you really want to, get some dumbbells too. Some small dumbbells, 2 to 5 pounds. Hold them up like this. When you get the hang of this, start switch stepping. Once you get the hang of that, mix both. Now once you get the hang of that, you can start punching at the same time. So just like that. So those are a few drills that you can do on the tire to get better footwork. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, comment in the comments section below. If you like the video, leave a like. And if you think it's helpful, share it to a friend. Hopefully this helps you in your next training and it helps you at your next fight. Peace out. See ya.